So there's only been 3 nations that have ever landed on the surface of the moon: the United States, the former Soviet Union, and only just recently China. My name's John Thornton. I'm the CEO of Astrobotic, and we're right now in Pittsburgh Strip District, which is headquarters for Astrobotic. We're building a spacecraft that will fly to the surface of the moon for the very first time privately. Think of it a little bit like a UPS or FedEx to the moon. So we carry packages from around the world aboard our spacecraft, drop them off at different destinations. We sell to groups that can't afford their own launch vehicles, that can't afford to build their own spacecraft, but still want to do meaningful things in space. Our first mission will carry our customer payload and also win the Google Lunar X Prize. So it's the biggest prize ever created. It's $20 million to be the first to land on the moon, drive 500 meters, and send back pictures and video. Astrobotic was founded here in Pittsburgh and will stay in Pittsburgh because of the human capital, because of the people that are here and the talent pool that is here. It's a hotbed of innovation and talent. We have Carnegie Mellon, which is the #1 software institute in the world and the #1 robotics institute in the world. You also have many other institutions in the area that feed and develop a really nice talent pool to draw from. One of the most exciting things about Pittsburgh is that there's a lot of great places to grow companies. We've got manufacturers around in the area. It's got the infrastructure to support business. We're currently sitting in a building that used to be a metal stamping facility. What better place to showcase the transformation from steel to technology? We're building spacecraft that will fly to the moon in the same place that metal was stamped 100 years ago. You can get a large building like this and grow a hardware company in it. As we see more and more of these startups that are going to be focusing on hardware, we're going to see more and more demand for places just like this. Our first mission goes to the moon in 2015. We fly from Florida and our mission control starts there. And then once the launch vehicle lets go, it kicks us towards the moon. At that point, we transition mission control to here in Pittsburgh. So we'll see the moon landing happen here in Pittsburgh. We'll also be driving the rovers from here in Pittsburgh. The big payoff is that we will become a space hub. We'll be a spacefaring city, and I think this will just be the first of many businesses that will start to grow, especially with the talent pool and the base that's already here, well established.